this time is the perfect summer night. And those three words are spelled out in your eyes. But before I go on, say something wrong.
Stands by the window, stares at the morning sun. She hopes for a clear view before the day is done. What can you do when you're head over heels in love? But it's keeping her up all through the night. No end in sight. Ooh, She wanders along the trail down to the river. But will she dare to set sail? The thought makes her shiver. Watching herself behind those lonely eyes. The mirror of night are making it so hard to tell wrong from right. No end in sight. Ooh, The truth will soon break. A new day is on the rise. The promises we make seem to be improvised. What can you do when you're head over heels in love? No need to fight.
It is time, it's the perfect summer night. And those three words are spelled out in your eyes. But before I go on, say something wrong. by my tongue. 'Cause you've been told too many times before. Yeah, you've been told so many times before. So I'm gonna try with something new, and I'll never say that I love you. When the line between us just fades and blurs, that's the time when we just don't need more words. 'Cause you've been told too many times before. You've been told so many times before. So I'm gonna try with something new, and I'll never say that I love you. Yes, I'm gonna try. And I don't wanna be lonely when winter is freezing and trees start to bolt. And I don't wanna be sitting alone in a room that's just filled with my soul. And so I came to this place, I'm looking for a familiar face, and that's when I saw you. 'Cause you don't know me and I don't know you, but it breaks my heart. You're looking so blue on the last of the hill. I just picked your name on the coffee cup, but a stroke of luck, the guy just messed up and gave your cup to me. Swapping our cups, and after a while we're swapping a glance. And I can't think nothing better than started a year with a drop of romance.